Hi, it's Angela from the blog Angela Marie Made. Today I'm sharing how to build our DIY wall bookshelf. I built our bookshelves for our son's nursery for a little reading nook area, but they can be used for any type of room or books. They can also be painted or stained for more customization. I have printable build plans available with a full material list and cut list on my blog, which is linked below this video in the description box. Begin by making all of the lumber cuts using a miter saw. For the 1x4 sideboards of the bookshelf, we need to make special angle cuts. On each of the two side pieces, mark 3/4 of an inch up from the end of the board. Then set your miter saw to 35 degrees. Cut the board at an angle from your mark as shown here. Again, you can get a full cut list on my blog, which is linked below this video. For easy assembly, I clamped my 1x10 backboard to my workbench. Add some wood glue to the bottom 1x3 board edge and attach it to the backboard with brad nails. Then attach the 1/4 inch front board the same way. Now it's time to add the holes for the dowel rod that will go along the front of the bookshelf. Measure and mark the rod placement on each sideboard. Then use the end of the dowel rod to draw a circle at this point to mark exactly where you need to drill the dowel rod hole. I added tape at the 1/2 inch point on my drill bit before drilling to know where to stop drilling so that I didn't drill through the wood. At this point, I went ahead and test fit everything by inserting my cut dowel rod into the side piece holes and then lining up my sideboard pieces with my bookshelf. Ultimately, you want a firm fit of the dowel rod in the hole so it doesn't move around. Also, we went ahead and drilled holes on the back of this bookshelf for easy hanging on the wall. Then we prepped for paint by filling the nail holes and knot holes in with spackle. Before attaching everything together, Brandon primed, painted, and spray painted first since it's much easier to do before attaching the sides and dowel rod to the bookshelf. For this bookshelf here, we used Anchors Away by Sherwin-Williams. To make the rod in the front look like metal, we used an oil rubbed bronze spray paint, which I will link below this video. Once everything dried, we finished putting the bookshelf together. Our holes got a little smaller due to paint seeping in them, so I gently widened them some with the drill. Then I added wood glue to the holes and dowel rod ends. I found it easiest to just add one sideboard piece to the dowel rod and attach it to the bookshelf, then to do the second sideboard piece after that. Finally, I secured the sides to the bookshelf with wood glue and brad nails. The last step was to fill the nail holes with light spackle and do any necessary paint touch-ups. We hung the bookshelf on the wall with screws into the holes that we previously drilled on the back. Ideally, you want to hit the wall stud, but we had to use heavy-duty wall anchors. love having all of our son's books looking cute and both easy to find on the wall bookshelves. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. For another DIY bookshelf, make sure to check out our DIY bookshelf with adjustable shelves video, which is linked below this video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.